In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a modern website using templates on Wix Studio. If you're ready to build a stunning site but don't know where to start, this walkthrough will take you from the very beginning right up to the creation of your very own unique website, all through the power of Wix's user-friendly platform. Firstly, we'll begin by navigating to Wix's website. Head over to manage.wix.com, and under the My Sites section within your account, you'll find a variety of management options for your existing projects. If you don't have an account yet, I suggest setting one up, as it's free and opens a gateway to a whole host of features and templates. Next, click on the Explore option in the top menu bar. This section opens up a world of possibilities by showcasing the array of tools and designs Wix has on offer. Here, we aim to draw inspiration by exploring the styles and layouts that professionals and fellow users have implemented in their own websites. As we move further, you'll want to click on Inspiring Websites. This step is crucial as it gives you an insight into the creative possibilities. Browsing through the myriad of websites crafted by other Wix users is a fantastic way to get ideas and see what resonates with you visually and thematically. For now, let's click on any site that catches your eye. From the selected inspiring website, you'll want to find the option to Explore Wix's templates. This is where the magic truly begins, offering you a chance to select from a vast collection of personalized designs that can form the backbone of your online presence. Once you're in the Templates section, search for Modern using the search bar. This will filter the templates to showcase sleek contemporary designs that align with current trends, perfect for ensuring your website catches the eye of your audience. Browse through these options to find a template that speaks to your style and the vision you have for your site. After selecting a template that you love, go ahead and click Edit. This action will open the Wix editor. Here, you can truly make the design your own by customizing every element to suit your brand's identity. This includes changing colors, fonts, and layouts, as well as adding pages or sections. Now comes the fun part, personalizing the content. You can add custom text to deliver your brand's message effectively and insert images that highlight your services or portfolio. Make sure to explore all the features available, like media integrations or fun widgets, to add dynamic and interactive elements to your site. And there you have it. Following these steps, you will have not only selected a state-of-the-art design, but also customized it completely to serve your unique purpose. With Wix, the possibilities are endless, so spend some time experimenting and perfecting your site until it's exactly how you envisioned it. Happy designing!